The use of biotech with the radiant arsenal serves many purposes, just like all kinds of things within NMOD, the HARP program, and things like that. It's all multifaceted, multi-purpose. As far as using biotech, what they actually want to do is create cancer, because they use cancer tumors, cancer cells, to create stem cells. It's very hard actually to get cellular activity to metastasize, as they say, to go ballistic, to grow abnormally, to grow unnaturally. Things have to be added to an organism through its food, through its water, through its air, or intentionally inserted some way, somehow, say on the end of a hypodermic needle, or any way that they can think of to make, maybe as a something that is supposedly good for you, but actually isn't, like a vaccine, like the polio vaccine that introduced 40 new cancer-causing viruses to our youth back in the 50s, and across the board, just about everyone was shot up with that. Now the epidemic of cancer that they predicted from that is here. And Nixon, of course, called for a war on cancer, but at the same time as Nixon did that, the government was weaponizing cancers, and one of their main targets was Fidel Castro. They didn't get him, but Dr. Mary Sherman down at New Orleans and her main assistant, Lee Harvey Oswald, both of those people died funny deaths because of their research into weaponization of cancer. And you can find out all about this. You can read a book called Dr. Mary's Monkey. It'll tell you everything about that. But the bottom line is that it's difficult to get an organism to grow cancer. And they've done it purposely because they need these tumors, which they sell by the slice to foundations and such like that, to develop stem cells, which, stem cells actually cause a radical regrowth in chosen materials, bone material, muscular materials. So this is something they knew about for 40, 50 years or longer, and they needed to somehow be able to have access to these cells that show this type of runaway growth, or this metastasization, something that then they can isolate these growths and make it so that only certain things. The thing is that they've created poverty here through their medical system. You can't get the medical help. You can't even get dental. If they were concerned about your health, the first thing they would take care of is dental, because dental is the beginning of your digestive system. It's the very beginning, the most important part, how you chew your food. They actually foster dental degradation among the populace, A, because it causes pain and they're always for things like that, and B, because they're not really interested in your health. They're interested in your disease. That's what they want. They need it to create stem cell drugs.